some facts about S.R. Ranganathan, the father of library. Shiyali Ramamrita Ranganathan was born on 12 August 1892. He was a librarian and mathematician from India. He was a university librarian and professor of library science at Banaras Hindu University and at the University of Delhi. In 1965, the Indian government honored him for his contributions to the field with the rare title of National Research Professor. His most notable contributions to the field were his 5 laws of library science and the development of the first major faceted classification system, the Collins system. The 5 laws of library science is a theory that S.R. Ranganathan proposed in 1930. He was a Padma Shri awardee. He was awarded Padma Shri in the year 1957. Due to prolonged illness, he died on 27 September 1972 at the age of 80.
Storytelling. Title: The Great Elephant. One day, an elephant wandered into a jungle in search of friends. He saw a monkey and asked him, "Will you be my friend?" The monkey replied, "You are too big. You can't swing from trees like..." Once there was a boy named Chris. He was upset. His father saw him crying. He asked him, "Why are you crying?" Chris said, "I have lot of problems in my life." His father simply smiled. He asked him to get a potato, an egg, and some coffee beans. A proud teak tree in the forest. He was tall and strong. There was a small herb next to the tree. The tree said, "I am very handsome and strong. No one can defeat me." Hearing this, the herb replied, "Dear friend, too much pride is harmful. Even the strong will fall one day." The teak ignored the herb's words. He continued to praise himself. A strong
பள்ளிக்கூட புத்தகங்கள் பரந்த அறிவை வளர்த்தாலும் தெள்ள தெளிந்த அறிவுயர தேடி கற்பாய் பல நூல்கள் அல்ல அல்ல குறையாத ஆனந்தம் தான் இலக்கியங்கள். புத்தகங்கள் திரைத்திட்டால் பூட்டப்படுமே சிறைச்சாலை, பூட்டப்படுமே சிறைச்சாலை, பூட்டப்படுமே சிறைச்சாலை.